We do want to get you up to speed in the fight against COVID-19 and the vaccine rollout, as President Biden says he hopes to ramp up to 1.5 million doses a day, aiming for widespread vaccinations by spring. In the meantime, drug maker Moderna says its vaccine does protect against two variants that have emerged from Britain and South Africa. And also, we know that thousands more doses should arrive in North Texas today. Chris Sadiki joins us live with what's happening today in North Texas. And also, Chris, that tension growing among city and county leaders as they wonder where are more vaccines.
Yeah, Mark, that tension was obvious at the meeting last night. The city of Dallas set to open up their drive-through vaccination center at the convention center on Thursday morning, but at last night's specially called meeting, yes, things flared between the mayor and some of the members on the council. The city of Dallas will use the Dallas County's website that's already 400,000 names long with people who have registered. And those that register on the site will be the one who receive an appointment for the 5,000 shots in the initial shipment for the city that will be based on vulnerability. But registering in the first place is still an issue. Some members of the council held these registration drives in their districts for people who don't have internet access. So these long lines you see aren't even for the vaccine, but just to get on the wait list for the vaccine. And they didn't exactly please the mayor, who announced last week that he was in the process of setting up registration hubs for zip codes that are underserved when it comes to Wi-Fi. He told WFAA that members of the council were playing politics during campaign season, even going as far as to say that Monday's meeting was a waste of time. But they did meet to discuss the confusion and communication and, yes, the frustration.
But you're not supporting me in terms of getting understanding. That's all I'm saying, Mayor. And that's what I'm growing weird behind your refusal to support us as we're asking you for help and leadership.
Meanwhile, Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins says that he would like to set up a call center with bilingual call takers who can talk to people, help them get registered on the website, and set up with an appointment time for the vaccine. We know this is a lot of information that we're telling people every single morning, so we have a way to get all the information straight to your phone. You can text the word vaccine to 214-977-6028, and all the information we've talked about, where to register, how to register, will be sent to your phone. Mark, back to you.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. I just read a message from a viewer who said that she is so frustrated by how long this rollout has taken, about how hard it is to get vaccinated. Says it's a frustrating proposition, to say the least, because we are a month into this distribution. About 1.7 million Texans have gotten a single dose. That's far fewer than 2 million people in a state with 29 million total. And if we keep going at this rate, it's going to take 2 years for everybody to get one dose, 5 years to get fully vaccinated. So in this week's episode of Y'all-itics, one lawmaker is demanding to know why the state wasn't better prepared with so much time to get a better distribution plan.
We should have had a statewide website, and we should have had a statewide hotline where people could call in and say, hey, I live in this county, and here's my address, and these are my health conditions. This is what I do for a living. And we should have sorted these people out into categories 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, and done that ahead of time.
To take in more of that interview, you can listen to our latest episode of Y'all-itics to hear what those next steps could be. It is out right now. You can find it anywhere you get your podcasts.